Previously on Chasing the Hook, we cut the lines and leave the slip where Pelagic has been for the last 7 years and make our way north from Port Orchard to Poulsbo, Washington. We show you some repairs we completed and a bit of much needed attention to her bottom. We wanted to make it to Poulsbo in time for the 4th of July festivities. My name's Heather.
I'm Heidi.
I'm Jim.
Jimmy.
Scarlett.
And this
Is
Chasing
The
Hook.
We're sailing! It's crooked. I know, yeah, there you go. No!
We're sailing.
Go motor!
Dude, we're cooking for
We
some
are
more
totally
wind.
cooking. We're doing awesome. We're going 4 knots. Sailing sandwich.
My wife makes the best sandwiches.
That's right, I do. It's a talent I have. Right now he is enjoying a ham, egg, and cheese sandwich on homemade bread. So what do you think, girls? We're sailing. Yeah. Is that lovely?
I want to see them.
What's going on here?
Scarlett.
Oh my goodness. All right, we're in Kingston. We, the dinghy that we were borrowing with the 4-stroke motor on it named Doodles. I thought it was Toodles, but I guess I was wrong. That's our friend's dinghy. Where are they? They're over there.
It's somewhere over there.
So we're waiting to get picked up.
Heidi looks like a flower.
All right. How was Kingston, you guys?
Cool.
How was hanging out with friends?
Good.
Nice.
Good.
Uh-huh.
Friend is Erling. He likes you. Are you guys doing a stare down? Yeah, we are leaving Kingston, Washington. And we're going to go back home to Poulsbo. We're racing the ferry. Just kidding. Whenever you tell me, I'll start facing the wind.
What's with the hat and the jacket?
It's freezing!
It's friggin' July!
It's friggin' July and it's freezing! I'm freezing my butt off! Oh my gosh, I'm gonna go through all this crap right here.
It's like a little Australian East Coast accent. How are the children doing? Well, look at the size of that thumb. Good lord.
Alien stuff.
Jimmy gives it 1.5 thumbs up.
Hello. We're sailing now. Granola bar.
On the ground?
Uh-huh.
I hope it wasn't open. Yes, we can go back to the boat.